Here I have Tesla Model Y, and on this example I will show you how to make sure that you've got enabled blind spot collision warning chime. Let's begin. So, in order to have access to these settings, you need to use the car icon right here, and from list of settings let's choose here safety. Then scroll down, and when you scroll down you should see the blind spot collision warning chime. So in my case I've got this enabled, and I think by default you should have this enabled. But if someone messes with your settings or you are not sure about it, let's just make sure that you've got enabled this toggle. And now you are safe for a lot of trouble, because the blind spot is an extra layer of safety that uses the car's side cameras to make sure that the coast is clear before you move. So it's really recommended to have this feature enabled. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.